If that is not practical, please make sure they are held or easily within your reach. Thank you. Also, let me remind you that while the train is in motion, you should remain seated. Keep your arms, legs, and head inside the train cars at all times. Remember, there is no smoking, eating, or drinking anything except water while on the railroad. We are now passing historic Smith Street Depot. This building was built in 1858, has been restored to as it would have appeared during the American Civil War. Stop by and see how the station master and his family lived and worked during those tumultuous times. The big building coming up is the Detroit, Toledo, and Milwaukee Roundhouse. It came from none of those cities, but rather from Marshall, Michigan. Out in front is a turntable built by the Detroit Bridge and Iron Works in 1901 and originally installed at Petoskey. We use this roundhouse for its intended purpose. We do all of our maintenance and repairs on our locomotives and rolling stock in here, as well as restorations. Our current restoration going on is that of a 100-year-old caboose. You should stop by and take a look through and let us know how you think we're doing. Next up is Liberty Craft Works. Here are craftsmen's work in glass, tin, which they do using the red building coming up is our cider mill. Back in the 1800s, cider was a very Michigan. And there are now more than 100 cider mills in the state of Michigan.
Look, by the fence.
The Firestone Farmhouse, boyhood home of Harvey Firestone of Firestone Tire and Rubber fame, as well as a lifetime friend of Mr. Henry Ford. Over in the field on our left-hand side, you can see our automatic lawnmowers at work, also known as merino sheep. These guys seem to be falling behind over here. I guess we're feeding them too much of that good stuff. As we arrive here at Firestone Station, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. The brakes are set, and I'll let you know that it is safe to exit on the right-hand side.